guys, welcome back to WaringaBeauty channel. So today I have a very interesting tutorial. Tuseme probably you are a beginner and kwange kweli you want to change how you do your eyeshadow. Maybe you're just used to doing one careers, like unafanya tu one swoop and then you are out of the house. We have broken all the rules to achieve this eyeshadow look. This is a cut crease, but we have broken all the rules. So yes, as a beginner you can do your eyeshadow as a pro. So without wasting your time and my time, we're going to go straight to the video. So the first thing you need to do is apply concealer on top of your lids. You can either use a concealer. If you do not have a concealer, kuna vitu zinaitangwa eye primer. Yeah. Chai. Shindwa purple. Okay, honestly, sipati. I'm going to use this concealer. And I'm going to just apply higher. This is a Legal Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So I'm going to use it upper just to prepare my lids. I'm going to go with the brown color and gold color. I'm going to use this brown. Yeah, I am going to go with this brown. So this is what you do. Remember, this hack is when like you want to change your eyebrow game, especially if you are a beginner. So this is what I do when I am in a hurry and I don't want to be like that precise. Higher. Now that we have our brown color on our brush, we're just going to lightly, isikuwe too much, just lightly go over your eyelid area. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Then I'm going to use this eyebrow concealer brush just to clean uku kwenye imetoka nje. Now it looks more clean. So this is what I do. You guys are going to see how fast this is. It doesn't take time. It doesn't. Hi. With that being done, now fanya hivi, hiyo line yache kuonekana the same na hapa. Haya. With that being done, we are going to take the same concealer we used to prime our lids, and we're going to put just a small amount. I want you to focus on this part. Focus on this part. We are still going to use our brush. I am sorry, it is a bit messy. I've been using it to do my eyebrows and I go all the way, man. All the way. Nataka uone hivi. It's not, don't be precise. I'm going to teach you how to cut your crease to be precise, but in this tutorial I am teaching you how to cut your crease without being precise whenever you are in a hurry and you want to get that good look. So this video will really help you. So this is what I am doing. Make sure follow. So now where this line is, you see this line. Let me mark. See. You can mark that area. Mark. Now I don't want you to mark where the line is precisely. Just mark above that line. I think we should go with the round brush. We are using the round flat brush. I think this one is much more better. So make sure you go above this line and nimeonyesha. Now I want you to mark above hapo. hapo. Sinaona, we're going to do the same na hapa, above this line, above that line. Hapo. Haya, now with that being done, we are going to use this line to just tuanze kutoka hiyo line, then tukuja chini. And then after that, go over your concealer hivyo. As you can see, I am not precise, but the more you do this, the more you get that cut when unataka. But even though it is not as cute as you'd want it to be, I will still show you what we will do because mine is not as cute. Remember, I am just showing you how to cut your crease in a, whenever hizo times uko in a hurry and you want to get that good look. So that's how you cut your crease. Na ninakohoa sana, I don't know why. That's a lemon tea. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. So kama hauko umeshika ya hii macho, focus on this eye. So this is where the line is. This is where, oh sorry, the line ilienda. This is basically where the line was. Now from that line, from this line, you go this way. Chini. Umeona? Chini. Haya. Ndio hiyo. Now once you've done that, go over your concealer to the place you have marked. Haya, enda ukiperfect your cut. Remember, I am teaching you how to quickly cut your crease without being as precise. With that being done, we are going to go over with our gold. I am using this highlight. It was my first highlighter when I first started my makeup kit. It is really pigmented. No wonder I don't use it of late. I go with the other one that I have been using. Ooh, I love that highlighter. Niliwambia somebody gifted me a friend of mine. It's a female, please. A friend of mine gifted me, and I thank God for her. Haya. So we are going to gently pat. Unaona tumepaka. So what we are going to do, we are just going to pat. Haya, and you start from the inner corner. I hope you guys are seeing juvenye nimejitolea. Make sure you don't go above the area you cut. Sawa? Good. We are not going to go all the way. Higher. We are going to do the same thing to this other eye. You start from the inner corner, inner corner, inner corner. Like it is so pigmented. Like he nini aileti your pigmentation. It looks so cute, but I'll make sure nitawaonyesha in a better angle. Like sijui kama nitatoka nje, but haya, you can see nimefika nusu ya macho yangu. Don't go all the way. Another thing, don't worry kama hazifanani. Venye unataka zifanane, zitafanana tu. They must align. Haya, with that being done, I am going to take the brush I used to apply my brown concealer, and then I am going to pat that concealer. Then this is what I'm going to do to blend everything in together. Ndio sijua mahali gold imeishia, okay? Okay. Make sure that you need the same area. You see now this brush ni kadogo vizuri. Go over the powder. This is what I want you to do. You go uko juu. Sawa? Uko juu. Ukisafisha tu. There we have it. I'm telling you guys, this thing is so pretty. Hii camera ndo inaleta sijui aje. I am going to show you in a better lighting, so don't worry. And then we're going to do the same with this other eye. Go juu, sawa. Yo, I'm telling you, inakaa vizuri. I'm going to go to a better place so that you guys can see what I mean. This is just adding the color just in case nimetoa nikisafisha. It looks so cute, but I think you guys are starting to see, right? Let me now go to this other eye. Like, this is what you do when you are in a hurry and you are not a pro of cutting your crease. Me, I wish somebody taught me this when I was beginning, because nilingangana before nijue cut my crease. Kwa wenye wajui crease ni nini? Crease ni hii curve yenye unaona tumeform na eyeshadow. So this kuna hii stingo unatumianga concealer and then you make sure umecut na concealer sharp ndo sasa upake the shimmery gold. But now you guys, I have taught you a hack on how to do that without being so precise. So unaona sijawaambia make sure the line is we are going baby steps because this is for the beginner. Now let me just perfect again. Make sure you are very careful not to mess. I am going to do the same thing to this other eye. Go over with the brown. So this is what you do. To my beginners out there, I'm just going to use a little shade of black to go over these parts just to make sure it's a bit dark. Hata haitaonekana, as you can see. Then I think this is okay. I am satisfied with how it looks. I'm going to go off camera and do my eyeliner. Ikiwezekana tunaweza fanya lashes and then I'll come back do the review with you. And go someplace where you can see this whole beauty. So guys, we are done with this video. I went ahead and did my eyeliner as promised, and I wasn't able to do my eyelashes because I wanted you to grasp the depth and the details, like everything that is going on over here. So I have done this very quick and easy. It is simple. So if you are a beginner and you are interested in doing your eyeliner like a pro, manze, keep on watching this video. Keep on stay tuned for more contents and everything. I really enjoyed having this time with you guys. Make sure you like, don't be selfish, and then subscribe. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Hiya guys, I think that's it. I'm going to show you how it looks. And remember, we have broken all the rules to achieve this eyeshadow look. This is a cut crease, but we have broken all the rules. So yes, as a beginner, you can do your eyeshadow as a pro.